cheetah Acinonyx jubatus is one of the most iconic and awe-inspiring animals on the planet, known for its incredible speed and sleek, powerful build. This remarkable feline, the fastest land animal in the world, has captured the imagination of people for centuries, symbolizing grace, agility, and raw power. Native to the open grasslands and savannas of Africa, the cheetah plays a crucial role in its ecosystem, serving as a key predator and maintaining the balance of animal populations. However, despite its legendary status, the cheetah faces numerous threats that have led to a drastic decline in its population, making it one of the most vulnerable big cats today. Understanding the biology, behavior, and conservation status of the cheetah is essential for appreciating its significance and the urgent need to protect this extraordinary species. The cheetah is instantly recognizable by its slender body, long legs, and distinctive coat marked with black spots on a tawny background. Unlike other big cats, the cheetah's build is specialized for speed rather than power. Weighing between 77 to 143 pounds 35 to 65 kilograms and standing about 2.5 to 3 feet 75 to 90 centimeters at the shoulder, the cheetah is designed for agility and acceleration. Its lightweight frame, combined with powerful, elongated leg muscles, allows it to reach speeds of up to 60 to 70 miles per hour, 97 to 113 kilometers per hour in short bursts covering distances of up to 500 meters, 1,640 feet. This incredible speed is achieved thanks to a combination of unique adaptations, including a large nasal passage for increased oxygen intake, a powerful heart and lungs, and non-retractable claws that provide traction like running spikes. One of the most distinctive features of the cheetah is its spotted coat, which provides excellent camouflage in the dappled light of its natural habitat. Each cheetah has a unique pattern of spots, much like a human fingerprint, which helps researchers identify individual animals in the wild. In addition to its spots, the cheetah has distinctive tear marks running from the inner corners of its eyes down to the sides of its mouth. These dark lines are thought to reduce glare from the sun and enhance the cheetah's focus on prey during a chase. Cheetahs are carnivorous predators, primarily hunting small to medium-sized ungulates such as gazelles, impalas, and young wildebeest. Their hunting strategy is a combination of stealth and speed. A cheetah typically begins a hunt by stalking its prey, using the cover of tall grass or bushes to get as close as possible, often within 100 feet 30 meters. Once within striking distance, the cheetah unleashes a sudden burst of speed, rapidly closing the gap between itself and its target. The chase is a high-stakes sprint, usually lasting less than a minute, and if successful, the cheetah will knock its prey to the ground with a swipe of its paw or trip it up with its legs. The cheetah then clamps down on the prey's throat to suffocate it. However, the cheetah's impressive speed comes with a trade-off: it lacks the strength and endurance of other big cats. After a high-speed chase, a cheetah is often exhausted and must rest before it can eat. This leaves it vulnerable to scavengers such as hyenas, lions, and even vultures, which can steal its kill. To minimize this risk, cheetahs often eat quickly, consuming as much as they can before being forced to abandon their meal. In some cases, cheetahs may drag their prey to a more secluded location to eat in peace, although this is not always possible. The cheetah's hunting success is heavily dependent on its environment, which is why habitat loss is one of the biggest threats to its survival. Cheetahs thrive in open, expansive landscapes where they can utilize their speed to the fullest. However, as human populations grow and expand into wild areas, the cheetah's habitat is increasingly fragmented and degraded. Agriculture, livestock grazing, and urban development have all contributed to the loss of suitable hunting grounds for cheetahs, forcing them into smaller and more isolated areas. This not only reduces their access to prey, but also increases the likelihood of conflicts with humans and livestock, often leading to retaliatory killings by farmers. Cheetah populations are currently found in a handful of African countries, with the largest populations in Namibia, Botswana, South Africa, and Kenya. There is also a critically endangered population of Asiatic cheetahs in Iran, with only a few dozen individuals remaining in the wild. Overall, the global cheetah population is estimated to be fewer than 7,000 individuals, making it one of the most endangered big cats in the world. The primary threats to cheetahs are habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and illegal wildlife trade, including the capture of cheetah cubs for the pet trade, particularly in the Middle East. In response to these threats, numerous conservation efforts have been implemented to protect cheetah populations and their habitats. One of the most successful initiatives is the Cheetah Conservation Fund (CCF), founded in 1990 by Dr. Laurie Marker in Namibia. The CCF has developed a holistic approach to cheetah conservation, combining scientific research, habitat restoration, community education, and anti-poaching efforts. One of the CCF's key strategies is working with local farmers to reduce human-wildlife conflict through the use of livestock guarding dogs, such as Anatolian shepherds, which help protect livestock from predators, thereby reducing the need for lethal control measures. In addition to on-the-ground conservation efforts, captive breeding programs play a crucial role in the survival of the cheetah. Breeding cheetahs in captivity is notoriously challenging due to their unique reproductive biology and social structure. Female cheetahs are induced ovulators, meaning they require the presence of a male to stimulate ovulation. However, cheetahs are also highly selective when it comes to choosing mates, and not all pairings are successful. Captive breeding programs must carefully manage the genetic diversity of the population to avoid inbreeding, which can lead to health problems and reduced fertility. Zoos and wildlife parks around the world have participated in cheetah breeding programs, contributing to the global population of this endangered species. These programs also serve as educational platforms, raising awareness about the challenges facing cheetahs in the wild and the importance of conservation efforts. Some facilities have also reintroduced captive-bred cheetahs into the wild, although this process requires careful planning and monitoring to ensure the animals can adapt to life in their natural habitat. The social structure of cheetahs is unique among big cats. Unlike lions, which live in prides, or leopards, which are solitary, cheetahs exhibit a range of social behaviors. Adult female cheetahs are generally solitary, except when raising cubs. After giving birth, a mother will care for her cubs alone, teaching them how to hunt and survive in the wild. Cheetah cubs are born blind and helpless, relying entirely on their mother for nourishment and protection. The mother will move her cubs frequently to avoid detection by predators, such as lions and hyenas, which pose a significant threat to young cheetahs. Male cheetahs, on the other hand, often form small groups called coalitions. These coalitions typically consist of brothers from the same litter, although unrelated males can also form coalitions. By banding together, male cheetahs increase their chances of holding and defending a territory, which provides them with access to mates. Coalitions are highly territorial and will defend their area from other males, often engaging in aggressive displays or physical confrontations. The bond between coalition members is strong, and these groups can remain together for life. The cheetah's life in the wild is fraught with challenges.